Hello guys, the song requested from Bravo Resort. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's gold there in the fall. To make for some friends that I don't go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that one high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If they get there before the snow flies and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the trail. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to go, and the swell sure kind of cold we out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all the things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Hello! Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may.